Hi, I'm Pablo Velez, React developer. Today I'm going to explain something that you're going to see a lot in any React project. It's something called state. The state in React is some kind of variable data that is going to be used in your view, maybe show or maybe modify it for some purpose. Let's show some practical example so you can understand. So, let's say we want to modify this text by clicking a button. But now it must be like a variable that can change. This is what we call a state, some piece of data, text, number, or information that is showing in our view and can be modified. So now we erase this text because it won't be a static text anymore. It will be a state now. To show a state in our app, we must wrap it in curly braces and write inside the name of the state. We can call it now text. To declare a state, we use a React hook, which is called UseState. And we must import it like this. Inside UseState, we write our initial state that is hello world. And we're going to save it in a constant like this. Const text. Save it with Ctrl S and you can see that our state here is being printed in the app. So far so good. But now I want to modify my state by clicking a button. So we make a button here that says change text. Imagine we want to change our text from hello green world to hello blue world. So let's modify a little bit our initial state. So the way you can modify the actual state is to adding in this constant array a second value. And this second value is going to be a special function that takes charge of modifying our state. We can call it SetText. It's a convention to name it like this, but you can call it whatever you want. But let's use SetText for now. And the way we use it is like this. We go to our button and we can use an attribute called onClick, which is the responsible to run a function when we click a button. Then this is equal to curly braces, and to write a function inside this attribute there are two ways. One is directly here like this. We use something called an anonymous arrow function. And here we use our setText function to modify our state. So inside setText, we write the new state we want to run. Hello blue world. Okay, save it. Click, and that's it. It works perfectly fine. It changed from hello green world to hello blue world. I'm gonna show you the other way that is used a lot. Cut this. And here we just simply write a name of a function, maybe change text. And we go and declare it like this. Const change text, and we use an arrow function. And here inside we put our setText hello blue world. And it works just the same. Okay, I want to keep it very simple for this video. Play around with these new tools and see you in the next lesson to show you a little more complex use of UseState Hook. Thanks for watching.